Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling ingredients. 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons unsalted butter, 2 cups whole milk, and 1/2 cup finely grated Parmesan cheese. Measure 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, a pinch of nutmeg, and 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt, adjusting to taste. Grate the cheese finely so it melts smoothly. If using pre-grated cheese, expect a slightly grainier texture. Keep a whisk and a 10-inch heavy skillet or saucepan nearby. Room temperature milk mixes more evenly into a roux, so remove milk from fridge 10 minutes before cooking. Melt 4 tablespoons unsalted butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat until foaming but not browned. Sprinkle in 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour and whisk constantly for 90 seconds until the roux smells toasty and turns a pale golden color. Reduce heat to low and slowly pour in 2 cups warm whole milk in a steady stream, whisking to incorporate after each addition so no lumps form. Bring to a gentle simmer and cook 6 to 8 minutes, whisking frequently until the sauce coats the back of a spoon. Remove the pan from heat and whisk in 1/2 cup finely grated Parmesan cheese until fully melted and silky. The residual heat finishes the emulsion. Taste and adjust seasoning with 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt, and a light pinch of nutmeg to brighten the flavor. If the sauce is too thick, whisk in up to 1/4 cup warm milk to reach desired consistency. Serve immediately over 8 ounces of freshly drained pasta, or keep warm over very low heat for up to 5 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.